Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to create an epic in Jira board. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now this is our Jira software interface. So there are tabs at the top, so just click Create tab. And the name of our project is NK, so you can choose from the projects that you've already made. And for the issue type, we are going to choose Epic. And for the status, you can choose from these. So for now, we're going to set our status to do. And then click Summary. So let's say do plus left arrow. And for the description, so we're just going to write learn this shortcut for an example. And for the signee, it's automatic. For the labels, you don't need to add something. For the start date, we are going to, let's say, choose May 12th, and the due date, let's say May 15th. For the issue color, it's purple. And for flagged, like impediment and review. If you're already satisfied with this, then click Create. And there, you're able to make your epic. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to type your questions below, and I will see all of you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.